we are going to be baking banana cake, and these are the ingredients. One, we have flour, we have sugar, we have baking soda, baking powder, a pinch of salt, we have two eggs, milk, and oil. Yeah, butter, and lastly we have banana because it's banana cake. Now let's get to making our banana cake. Okay, so now we are gonna be mixing all of our dry ingredients. I'm gonna start off with the flour.
Another one.
Add baking soda. Now we're done adding the baking soda. Add some salt. Baking powder. Now we add the baking powder, and then we mix. Make a mountain and then put a crater in the middle of it, like this. The wet ingredients.
Another one.
Let's add some milk. Now we add the oil. And then the butter. Now we mix. Make it a nice texture and stroke it one direction. Now we are going to add the banana. Then we mix. Put in one direction. once you are done your mixing, you will pour it into the pan and get it ready for baking. Here. Oven for 1 hour and bake it 350 degrees. Now we have got our banana cake. It looks so nice. Cut the cake. Let it cool and eat it later. Now it's tasting time for the banana cake. Let's taste it. Very soft. The outside is pretty crusty. I like it. It's soft, nice. The inside is good. And you have some milk to wash it all down. Very good. Thank you guys. Bye.